Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to build a Power BI dashboard, and we're going to do it from scratch. So let's get started. So I built this data set from Kaggle. It's a website for data sets and machine learning projects and other cool stuff. So let's get started. This data set consists of it's actually for COVID-19 cases. I think it was documented like right after the COVID hit, after like 4 months. So we have the state here, number of people tested, number of affected people, death rates, death people, population, pop density, Gini, ICU beds, income, and so on and so forth. So this data has only United States info. So let's get started. So what I did was, what we're gonna do is, I opened Power BI. So what we want to do is, we want to click import data from Excel. Then desktop, quick access from here, and then choose COVID-19 cases. It might take a second here. So what you want to do is just like to check this box in here, just to appear all the fields needed for your analysis or for your dashboard. Then load. Take a second in here. So here we go. Now we can start do our analysis. So what I like first to do is just to choose a theme that might look cool or like comfortable for your eyes. So we go to view here on the ribbon, and I like to choose darker themes. So with innovate. So what I want to do first, I'd like to put a title for the dashboard. So what I'm going to do is just put text box, and I'm going to put COVID. Oh, it's not showing here. So yeah, here we go. Yes, I want to show it. COVID-19 cases. And you could bold this, actually 20, and keep it like this, and drag it up like this. Actually centered. Okay. So what I want to do first is to choose, actually, since there's like states and countries, so we could choose a map for insightful visualization. So we're going to start with this here, filled map, and I'm going to put it aside in here, and we could choose from here what we want to put to see. So first up, we put the state. Might take a second, and we could put all the health information things. So health spending, number of hospitals, physicians. You can put whatever you want actually, but this is what I like to do. But for actually better visualization, you could actually choose this, just the regular map. So it's just like bubbles. You could see, like, you know, it's for better visualization actually. So yeah, here we go. So if you click on here, you could see actually the state, the health spending, what was spent like in health during that time, right after COVID hit, which was, I think this is in millions, and number of hospitals, number of physicians. So we could leave this for now and put other charts for more analysis. So what we could do, we see here there's an age from 0 to 25, age 26 to 54, and age from 55 plus. So what we could do is that since there's kind of percentages, so we could put a pie chart in here. Actually drag it down like this and align it with the here. I might put something in between later on. So yeah, 0 to 25, 26 to 54, and age 55 plus. So what we can see here is the percentages of each of the ages. Here, as you can see, the age from 0 to 25 has 32%. From the 55 plus is 29%, and from 26 to 54 is 37%. So it's a cool visualization just to consider, and we can actually bring it down like this, just to have more space for more visualizations. Another thing we could add actually is maybe a pie chart. Yeah, we could put this in here. This is 100% stacked column chart. So what we could do is we could actually bring the state in, which would bring all the states, and see the population. No, not the pollution, the population. The population, whoever's got tested, whoever's got infected, and the death and the flu death. And I think it was, yeah, respiratory death. So as you can see here, you have a relationship between the state and the population, and whoever has got tested and got infected, and the deaths, the flu deaths, and respiratory deaths. So if you look up here, you could see like everything. So this is a cool chart too, so you could see the relationship between the state and the number of from the people who got tested, with the relationship to the population and other fields like deaths or flu deaths or infected. We could actually bring in here a maybe like a card. Card is very helpful here if you want to make like a focus analysis on certain things. So to start off with this, you could actually put like the number of deaths. So this is the total number of deaths. I think this was recorded like 2, 3, 4 weeks after the COVID hit. That's why the number might not be accurate year to date. So yeah, so we're gonna keep it here for now. And what I wanted to add, I think is very, very important to show you guys, is the Q&A. Yeah, we could put here Q&A. So what's cool about this feature, you could actually put a very intuitive search about your data, and it's gonna show up like, let's just say highest death, maybe by state. So it gives you that visual that by just very intuitive, very easy 4 words, you could actually make like a very, very important analysis. So if you can see here, it gives you like a chart, and you could actually transform it to a table if you want. There's a max of death, like for New York, for Texas, for California, for all these states. It gives you like an actual analysis by actually typing some words. So it's very, very helpful if you want to consider a very informative or very focused analysis. So this is it for now. I think I'll add more videos about